In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Power BI report page size. Adjusting the page size is a simple way to make your reports look polished and fit their final destination, whether that's a widescreen monitor, a slide deck, or a printed handout. It also helps keep visuals readable and avoids awkward scroll bars or empty margins. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI app and the report you want to work on. Page size is controlled at the page level, so any change you make will apply to the current report page you're viewing, not the entire report all at once. That's helpful if different pages are meant for different contexts, like one page for presentation and another for printing. Next, look to the right side of the screen and open the Format pane. In recent versions of Power BI, this pane uses a paint roller icon and houses all the formatting options. If you don't see the settings you expect, make sure you're formatting the page, not an individual visual. A quick way to do that is to click on a blank area of the report canvas so nothing is selected. The pane will then show page-level options. Within the Format pane, find and click Canvas Settings. This section controls how the overall page behaves and appears. It's where you'll find options related to the canvas area, including the size, background, and how your content sits on the page. Expanding Canvas settings makes the size controls easy to access and keeps everything you need in one place. Under Canvas settings, click the Type dropdown and choose a preset size. Power BI includes practical presets like 16:9 for widescreen displays, 4:3 for older or squarish layouts, and common paper sizes such as letter when you are preparing to print or export to PDF. Pick the option that matches where your audience will view the report. As soon as you select a preset, the canvas updates immediately, so you can see how your visuals fit within the new boundaries. Take a moment to scan across the page and confirm that your charts and cards are still comfortably visible. If you notice extra space or tight edges, that's a cue that this page size might not be the best match, and you can quickly try another preset from the same dropdown. That's all there is to it. Open your report, head to the Format pane, go into Canvas settings, and choose the type that best suits your viewing or printing needs. With the right page size, your report will feel more intentional, easier to consume, and ready for any screen or document.